I'm going to show you how we painted a Natty Boh mural on the side of our house. I got this projector from Amazon. It was $50. We just set up the projector in our image. We flipped the image and it has to be pretty dark for it to work. We used a permanent marker to trace over the lines. You could use chalk too, and then we painted the next day. Here's the type of paint that we use, but be sure to do your research and get the kind of paint that you need for your surface. I purchased a bunch of different paintbrushes in all different shapes and sizes. It's really important to do this because you just never know what paintbrush is going to be your favorite and what brush works the best. So definitely get a variety of brushes and see what works for you. We traced the outline of the entire picture first, starting from top to bottom. I really enjoyed doing this because you don't get confused on where you need to paint. We also put X's where the black paint went, and then we went in with like some of the white paint and put X's. So that way we really didn't get confused, because when you're just staring at it for an hour or two, it just all looks the same, and you always have to like take a step back and look at your work, make sure your lines are straight, make sure none of the paint is dripping. Luckily it's just paint, so it's pretty easy to fix if anything does happen, which this is what I really liked about this project. But just really take your time and plan ahead. Our wall was also recently painted not too long ago, so I really think that helped with us only needing one coat of paint, even with the white paint. But if you are doing exposed brick, I feel like it would be a lot harder because the brick would definitely absorb the paint a lot more. So I would recommend priming your piece before painting it, and that would really help. I'm left-handed, so it really helped that my partner Anthony, who was helping me, was right-handed, because he was able to do some of the lines that I was not able to, vice versa, because when you're trying to paint a straight line, it's really hard to see if your hand is in the way. So definitely, if you can't paint with both your right and left hand, have someone be there with you with the opposite hand. Obviously it's not necessary, but it will take a lot longer because you have to keep looking over and checking your work. I'm choosing not to seal this piece because I read that if you seal it, it could turn white paint yellow over the years, and I definitely don't want my piece to turn yellow. I'm also fine with this having like a more weathered look, but if you want to preserve your painting or your mural on the wall, definitely find the right sealer. Check the weather for a few days out, because you do not want to finish your piece and it rain on it, because that would just suck. Make sure you do it on a sunny day. We did it when it was really breezy. It was really nice out. There are no bugs. Bring bug spray just in case. And that's about it.